Dear students, I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to my zoology class. This is Akmal Hussain, lecturer biology, Square High School and College. Now I am going to take a zoology class of Standard 10, Chapter 9. Today's topic is skeletal system. There is a picture of skeletal system. What will we learn from this class? We will be able to know about basic concept of human skeletal system, functions of human skeletal system, parts of skeletal system, structure of synovial joint. Look at the picture. What do we see? This is a foundation of a building. Like building, such a foundation needed for our body. There is a foundation in our body which is called skeleton. Skeletal system of human body. Skeletal system. What is skeletal system? The system which gives the definite shape to the body and protects the internal organs of animal is called skeletal system. There are 206 bones are there in human skeletal system. What is the longest bone of our body? Femur, which is present in leg. Which one is the smallest bone of our body? Stapes, you know. In our middle ear, there are 3 bones are there. Is ear, malleus, incus and stapes. This stap is the smallest bone of our body. Human skeleton is divided into exoskeleton and endoskeleton. Exoskeleton, the parts of the skeleton which is outside of the body. Example, nail, hair, etc. On the other hand, endoskeleton, the skeleton of man which can not be seen from outside. Cartilage, bones, these are the example of endoskeleton. Role of skeleton in firmness and locomotion. Structure and firmness of the body. The skeleton forms the hard structure of the body and give a definite shape to the body. Protection. Skeletal system protects our some soft and important organs like brain, spinal cord, heart, lung, kidney, etc. Skull protects brain. Vertebral column protects spinal cord. Thoracic cavity protects our lungs, heart, etc. Movement and locomotion. Hands, leg, shoulder or pectoral girdle, pelvic girdle, etc. help us to move as well as helps to locomote from one place to another. Production of red blood cells, you know. Blood cells are produced from bone marrow of bone, and bone is the part of skeletal system. That's why we may say skeletal system helps to produce blood cells. Storage of mineral salts, especially phosphorus, potassium, calcium, etc. are stored by bone, and this minerals helps to make the bones strong. The skeletal system consists of number 1 bone, especially the hardest part of our skeletal system is bone. Cartilage, the flexible part of our skeletal system, cartilage. Ligament, which helps to attach two bones with one another. Number 4 tendon, which helps to attach bone with our voluntary muscle that we may move or locomote easily. Bone joints, which helps to move and locomote easily. Muscles, the contraction and relaxation of muscles helps to move and locomote our total body. That means total 6 parts are there in our skeletal system. Bone, what is bone? Modified heart connective tissue is bone. Characteristics of bone. Number 1, matrix of bone is composed of organic compound. Bones are mainly composed of different compounds of phosphorus, potassium and calcium. Living bone cells contain 40% organic and 60% inorganic substances. Bone cells like osteopath, osteocyte are look like a spider and scattered within the matrix. What is matrix? We have to know. We know blood, bone, cartilage, etc. are connective tissue of our body. Actually, the internal structure of connective tissue is called matrix. The internal structure of connective tissue is called matrix. The older bones decay and new bones develop simultaneously. Cartilage. What is cartilage? Flexible connective tissue of developed animal is cartilage. Let's know some information about cartilage. Number 1, matrix is composed of chondrin. Now you know what is matrix. Chondrin, one type of protein. In living cartilaginous cell of protoplasm is transparent with a round nucleus and cavity is noticed. Chondrocytes, chondroblasts are scattered in matrix, where chondrocytes and chondroblasts are the cells of cartilage. All cartilage is enclosed by a layer of fibrous connective tissue is called perichondrium, which is glazy white. That means when some cells of cartilage gather together and form a layer named perichondrium. Cartilage looks white, bluish and glazy shining. Bone joint or articulation. The joints between two or more bones are called bone joints. Let's know some information about bone joints or articulation. Bones are joined firmly together by a flexible elastic tissues called ligament. The joint helps in the movement of limbs. Some of it is fixed cranium, some of it freely movable joints of hands and legs. That means some of it is fixed. Example, cranium. Cranium is the skull, is the bone of head, and freely movable joint movable joints. Example, joints of hands and legs. Synovial joint, a type of joint found between bones and moves against each other. Example, elbow, knee, etc. There is a picture of synovial joint. Parts of synovial joints: number 1, capsule; number 2, synovial membrane; number 3, synovial cavity with a kind of lubrication which is called synovial fluid; number 4, bones; number 5, cartilage; and finally ligament. Follow the picture attentively. There are two bones which connected or attach one another by a special type of connective tissues named ligament. Top of the bones carries flexible connective tissues which helps to protect them or prevent them from friction is called cartilage. The cavity between two bones and ligament is called capsule or synovial cavity. This synovial cavity filled with a kind of lubrication named synovial fluid, and the inner lining of ligament. Inner lining of ligament is called synovial membrane. This is the structure of synovial joint. Types of bone joints: fixed joint, cranium. You know, cranium is the joint of skull of our head. Slightly movable joint, joint of backbone. Freely movable joint, synovial joint, that means joint of elbow, joint of knee, etc. Ball and socket joint, joints where the round one head of the bone fits into a cup-shaped socket or cavity of another bone in such a way that allows the bone's movement in all planes. Example, a head of the femur rests in the cup-like socket of pelvis. That means the joint between hand and pectoral girdle is an example of ball and socket joint. Like the joint between leg and pelvic girdle, also the ball and socket joint. Hinge joint, the elbows, knees, joints of fingers, etc. are the examples of a hinge joint. It moves like a hinge of a door. We can bend our arms and legs in one direction, but can we bend them opposite direction? Of course not. Such kind of joint is called a hinge joint. Homework: draw a level diagram of synovial cavity. You have to submit your homework within 2 days in my inbox. Maintain social distance. Adhere to hygiene rules. Thank you.